I decided to make some temporary switches in my shop. I figured if I could do a polished aluminum gold line in my living room temporarily, then why not switch around a few things here temporarily. The gold line that was here is going back, and before anybody starts shouting suggestions, those two blender fans are staying permanently. They're too much of a pain to install, so I'm not changing those. But this one, I thought I'd toyed with this before, and I figured, well, if I thought about doing it before, why not do it? So let's check it out. I didn't change the control. We're just going to keep the same control. If I decide to change the control, it would be to put the 5-speed Evergo control there, which would be better for the gold line when it goes back. I honestly don't remember how this did on the 5-speed control, but we'll just do a video of it on the control. So it's just a 3-speed Lutron control here with low, I believe, is 5 microfarads. I did work on the bearings in this a little bit. They were still pretty rough. Just fully soaked them in WD-40 and then fully soaked them in oil. And they're still rough but getting better. So I think as it runs it'll probably improve. I gave it as much TLC as I'm going to do for it being a temporary installation. It's quite the nice slow low speed, which I didn't have with the gold line, so that's a plus, although I don't need that in the winter. I actually need it to move some heat down quick, fast, and in a hurry. So, okay, medium. Medium is probably the speed it will stay on during the winter. Probably be medium during the winter, high during the summer, and then it's the spring and the fall when the temperature is perfect up here that I can probably get away with low. Have to see also, because also in the summer it depends how cool it gets up here at night, so if it stays hot. You can hear a little bit of bearing noise. Okay, let's go all the way to high. And it is moving more air here than the gold line did. I think the contact still did the most, with it being a straight bladed fan. But it's definitely effective. I'll give it that. Okay, spin down. And since I no longer need to be positioned right by the control, we can come up here, check it out from some different angles. Like I said, I hope as it continues to run that the bearings will stop making noise. They're smooth, and it's not the wet bearing noise that's bothering me, it's the noise like there's a little piece of grit in there or something like that. Hopefully it'll work its way out. I'll let it run on high for a while and see if that, I let it run on medium for a bit while I was doing my previous video, but high would have been too distracting. I'll let it run on medium for a bit and see if that, man, I let it run on medium for a bit. I'll let it run on high for a bit and see if that solves it. Sorry, I confused myself there for a little bit. Good spin down, so clearly we're doing something. Something's right. Okay. Thanks for watching. Well, I'll turn it back on. Might as well do that on camera. Why not? So, low, just kind of creeps up. Medium, high. So now we can see high from up here. Like I said, hopefully the more I run that, the better it'll be. It goes away after it's on high for a bit, and then it comes back at lower speeds, it seems, so maybe it just needs to run on high overnight or something. Well, we'll let it run for a while at least. Thanks for watching.